Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set launch Rockstar Games app on computer start. So this will ensure whenever you open or start up your computer, then Rockstar Games will also be launched. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to get started, go to your Rockstar app. So I have my app here. I'll click on it to open and log into your account. Once you are logged in, now head to settings here, and here you can see we have this option, load when computer starts. So this allows you to load the Rockstar Games Launcher when you start your computer. Currently this box is not checked. You'll need to check this box for you to activate these settings. Now once you have checked this, each and every time you just start your computer, Rockstar Games app will also launch. So that's how you can enable Rockstar Games app launch on startup on your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.